To use Credit Karma Money without a card, you will first need to set up an account with Credit Karma. This involves downloading the Credit Karma app and creating a profile. Once you have created your profile, navigate to the Credit Karma Money section of the app. Here you will be given the option to set up a spending account, which will allow you to use Credit Karma Money without a physical card. To do this, you will need to link an existing bank account to your Credit Karma profile. This will give you the ability to transfer money into your Credit Karma Money account and use it for online purchases or bill payments. To make a purchase, simply select the Credit Karma Money account as your payment method and enter the required information. Since you do not have a physical card, you will not have a card number to enter. Instead, Credit Karma will provide you with a virtual card number that you can use to make online purchases. One key concept to keep in mind when using Credit Karma Money without a card is that you will need to have sufficient funds in your account to cover any purchases you make. If you do not have enough money in your account, your purchase will be declined. To avoid this, make sure to regularly check your account balance and transfer more money into your account as needed. A practical example of how to use Credit Karma Money without a card is when making online purchases. For instance, if you want to buy something from an online retailer, you can select Credit Karma Money as your payment method and enter the virtual card number provided by Credit Karma. The funds will then be deducted from your Credit Karma Money account. Best practices for using Credit Karma Money without a card include regularly monitoring your account activity and keeping your account information up to date. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any potential issues with your account. Additionally, make sure to only use Credit Karma Money for legitimate purchases and to never share your account information with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use Credit Karma Money without a card. This can be a convenient and useful tool for managing your finances and making online purchases, and can help you stay organized and in control of your money.